In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your personal Dropbox account in a few simple steps. This process is especially useful if you're managing multiple accounts and want to streamline access between them without having to constantly log in and out. So, let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Dropbox homepage. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon. Go ahead and give that a click. This will open a drop-down menu for you. From this menu, select Settings. This section is essentially the control center for your Dropbox account, where you can customize various preferences and settings. Now that you're in the settings, you'll find several tabs at the top. Make sure you're under the General tab. It's here that you'll find an option labeled Link Your Personal Accounts. This feature is a real time saver, allowing you to connect another Dropbox account seamlessly. Next, let's move ahead and click on Link Accounts. This step will prompt a few different options. You can choose to link with Google, Apple, or another email address depending on your preference. For today's demonstration, we will be using an email address to make the connection. Once you've made that choice, click Continue. This will bring up a screen where you need to enter the password for the Dropbox account you're trying to link. Don't worry. This is just a security measure to ensure that it's really you attempting to make the connection. Go ahead and type in your password. Finally, when you're done, click Log In. And that's it. You've successfully linked your personal Dropbox account. Now you can toggle between accounts effortlessly, enjoy seamless access to all your files, and manage your documents efficiently without the hassle of switching credentials every time. I hope you found this guide helpful. Linking your Dropbox accounts can really enhance your productivity by making file storage and sharing much more accessible. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one.